November 18, 2022. LATAM Airlines Flight 2213 is preparing for takeoff. The aircraft is a 5-year-old Airbus A320neo and it is about to take off from Lima Airport. This plane flies the Lima Juliaca route. The airplane is taking off, but at the same time, a team of firefighters heads out for a training exercise. The pilots didn't know about this. The Airbus A320neo collides with the Firetruck, and the plane comes to a stop shortly after impact.